Hi, I'm Bret Iwan, and I'm at Cotino, the first Storyliving by Disney new home community in Rancho Mirage, California, to take you on a tour of the Moderne home design, an extraordinary model home by award-winning builder Shea Homes. Home designs in Cotino started with inspiration from Disney Imagineers. The exterior of this home was influenced by the Cotino Agrarian Collection, which pays homage to the pastoral setting and agricultural origins of the Coachella Valley. Architects for Shea Homes brought that inspiration forward with traditional and contemporary elements for an updated design. Landscaping is created with artful intention, embracing the beauty of the area and the distinctive design of the home. Coming into the entry courtyard is something I really love. It's an outdoor living space that presents a warm welcome before you even walk through the front door. Ready to see more? Then let's go. This home is designed to create an enthralling experience. The dramatic open plan flows from one room to another for a warm and comfortable feel. This kitchen is made for entertaining. The space, the huge island, the high-quality appliances and finishes make this an inviting focal point and a definite gathering place. In this great room, I want to show you one of my favorite features. There are two sets of doors that open to covered patios, one in the front and another in the back, creating a seamless flow from indoors to out for a much larger livable space. The flex space is shown as an office, but it could be a den, art studio, whatever you want. It's all about maximizing space and having the right spot for just about anything you might want to do. This bedroom is set apart from the rest of the house for a secluded retreat, complete with an elegant bath for a spa-like experience, and of course, a closet to dream about. Shea has made incredible use of the home site with outdoor areas that extend all around the home, expanding your living area and allowing you to take advantage of the beautiful Rancho Mirage weather. This home is designed so that everyday living can happen on the main floor, but there's more. Up here, it's a whole new level. There's a second bedroom great for grandkids or guests, and as a Disney fan, I really love how the fun and adventure come to life. The bold yet luxurious details capture the spirit of Adventureland at Disneyland Resort in a magical and imaginative way. The loft is the perfect place for relaxing or socializing, and I especially love the optional bar, allowing you to entertain in style. I'm sure you're getting the idea of this home with another great example of indoor-outdoor living. As you've seen, this home has been created with attention to detail and style at every turn. It's a stunning home with a stunning setting to match. Come see for yourself how your dream home can come to life with the Disney touch.